Hi, I am Dr. Kavita. Please do watch, share, subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about mesenteric infarction. Mesenteric infarction, also termed as acute mesenteric ischemia, is a severe condition caused by sudden interruption of blood flow through mesenteric vessels, leading to ischemia, that is lack of oxygen, and infarction, tissue death of the intestine. It primarily affects the small bowel and can rapidly progress to bowel necrosis and death if untreated. What are the pathophysiology underlying mesenteric infarction? The interruption of the blood flow can be due to an embolic arterial occlusion in about 50% of the cases, often from cardiac emboli, or an arterial thrombosis, which is about 25%, and or a mesenteric venous thrombosis, which occurs in less than 10%, or a non-occlusive processes such as vasospasm or low cardiac output. The superior mesenteric artery is most commonly involved. Insufficient blood flow causes tissue hypoxia, bowel wall spasm, mucosal sloughing, and hemorrhagic infarction. As the ischemia continues, bacterial translocation and release of toxins can trigger septic shock and multisystem organ failure before outright necrosis happens. What are the symptoms of mesenteric infarction? Early symptoms include severe sudden abdominal pain that is disproportionately intense compared to physical findings. Vomiting or diarrhea may occur. As the necrosis progresses, abdominal tenderness, peritoneal signs, fever, and shock may develop. Chronic mesenteric ischemia manifests more gradually with postprandial abdominal pain and weight loss. What are the risk factors of mesenteric infarction? Conditions that predispose to embolism or thrombosis, such as atrial fibrillation, heart failure, atherosclerosis, and hypercoagulable states, increase the risk. Older age and vascular diseases are common contributing factors. What is the diagnosis? How do we diagnose mesenteric infarction? Early recognition is critical. Bowel necrosis can occur within 6 to 12 hours after symptom onset. Imaging and laboratory tests helps identify ischemia and underlying cause. Delay in diagnosis worsens outcome. What are the consequences of mesenteric infarction? Without prompt treatment, ischemia progresses to transmural infarction, a bowel perforation, or peritonitis, sepsis, and death. In conclusion, mesenteric infarction is a medical emergency requiring rapid diagnosis and intervention to restore blood flow and prevent intestinal necrosis. This is the first part of mesenteric infarction. I am going to do still more videos of mesenteric infarction. Please do watch, share, subscribe to my channel. And medical students, what do you read about? Read about mesenteric infarction. What is the pathophysiology underlying mesenteric infarction? How a heart failure patient can get mesenteric infarction? How an arterial thrombosis can lead to mesenteric infarction? What is mesenteric venous thrombosis and how it leads to mesenteric infarction? What is vasospasm, which occurs in mesenteric infarction? What are the symptoms of mesenteric infarction? What are the risk factors of mesenteric infarction? How atherosclerosis and hypercoagulable states lead to mesenteric infarction? How do we diagnose mesenteric infarction and bowel necrosis? What are the lab tests that can be done in mesenteric infarction? How do imaging help in detecting mesenteric infarction? And what are the consequences of mesenteric infarction? How do bowel perforation occur in mesenteric infarction? All these. Thank you. Please do watch, share, subscribe to my channel.